This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're going to be looking on the inside of a dryer gas valve to get a better feeling of how it works. So here is one that was taken out of a dryer recently. It seems to work, but it was making a weird vibrating noise and probably just defective from the factory. So we're going to take it apart. So we're taking out two Phillips head screws to take off the bracket. And here we have the primary and secondary gas coils. These are essentially electromagnets that create a powerful magnetic field, and they lift up on a metal piston that travels inside these metal tubes. So I'm just going to push out the center piece out of this coil, this little metal insert. And now we'll do a little more disassembly. We have to use a security type bit. This is a Torx 15, but it has a security feature to it. So I usually don't want these taken apart. So we're taking out these three screws. And this is where the gas valves are, or the gas pistons that move up and down. They have a spring that pushes them back down, and the electromagnet that's in the coils creates the magnetic field that lifts up the piston. The spring pushes it back down when the electricity is turned off at the magnet. So we're just going to take that off so you can get a chance to see what it looks like inside. So that's the plate, and these are the little cylinders that the piston moves inside. Take the cylinder out. It's kind of fun to see how these work. So this goes up and down. That's when the valve is energized, and then the spring brings it back down. And when it's up, gas can flow into the dryer. Same on this side. Not quite sure why that one was vibrating the way it was. I put a new gas valve in and it cured the problem, but I thought it'd be fun to take this apart and show you what it looks like. So I'm going to take out a few more of those security screws. Now we can see the springs that push the pistons back down. These gas valves tend to last a long time, probably 15-20 years before they would need to be replaced. This one, just after maybe 1 year, needed to be replaced, probably due to some type of factory malfunction. Usually the only part that stops working on these are the electromagnetic gas coils. They get kind of weak and they no longer lift up the piston. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.